When it comes to choosing the best help desk software for your business, two of the biggest contenders are Intercom and Jira Service Management. Both offer robust features designed to improve customer support, but which one is truly the best for your team? In this video, we're going to break down the key differences between Intercom and Jira Service Management, and by the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which is the right choice for your needs. Stick around, because I'll also share an alternative that might surprise you. First off, let's start with Intercom. Intercom has built its reputation as a customer messaging platform, combining live chat, bots, and help desk features into one easy-to-use solution. One of its major strengths is its intuitive interface, which makes it simple to use, even for teams without much technical experience. The live chat feature is fast, and the ability to automate responses with bots helps teams respond quicker to common inquiries. Plus, its seamless integration with other tools like Salesforce and HubSpot is a big win for many businesses. But there's a catch. While Intercom shines in customer engagement, it falls short when it comes to in-depth ticket management. It's not as robust as other help desk software when dealing with complex workflows, and scaling it to larger teams can get a bit tricky. Additionally, its pricing can be on the higher side, especially if you're a small business or a startup. Next thing to consider is Jira Service Management. Jira Service Management, developed by Atlassian, is known for its powerful IT service management features, and it's a great fit for teams that need something a bit more structured and customizable. It's highly scalable, with powerful workflows that are ideal for handling complex service requests and tracking tickets from start to finish. If you're a tech-savvy team or in need of highly detailed reporting and integration with tools like Confluence and Bitbucket, Jira Service Management could be the right choice for you. However, it does come with a steep learning curve. Jira's interface isn't as user-friendly as Intercom's, which can be intimidating for teams that aren't very technical. And while it has a lot of customization options, it might feel overwhelming to set up, especially for smaller teams. Plus, it's really designed with IT teams in mind, so if your focus is on customer support rather than IT services, you might find it overkill. The third thing to think about is automation and AI features. Intercom is known for its advanced chatbot and automation capabilities, which can be game changers for handling high volumes of customer inquiries. On the flip side, Jira Service Management does have automation, but it's more centered around internal workflows and service requests, which may not always align with what customer support teams are looking for. The fourth thing to keep in mind is customer support and community. Both Intercom and Jira Service Management provide decent support, but Intercom often gets praise for its more direct and hands-on customer service. Jira, on the other hand, has a large community of users and plenty of documentation, but getting immediate, personalized support can be a bit slower. So here's the thing, both Intercom and Jira Service Management are strong contenders in their own right, but it really depends on your needs. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use solution with strong chat and automation features, Intercom might be the best fit for your team. On the other hand, if you need a more customizable, scalable solution for managing complex IT service requests, Jira Service Management could be your go-to. But here's a secret, after trying both of these myself, I found a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds. It offers a more user-friendly interface, powerful automation, and the scalability you need for larger teams, but without the steep learning curve. If you're serious about finding the best help desk software for your business, check out the first link in the description. By using my link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial, along with some extra benefits that aren't available anywhere else. In the end, while both Intercom and Jira Service Management are solid options, there's a better way to go. Make sure to take advantage of the exclusive offer in the description to see what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching.